Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to make use of Microsoft Teams app in our mobile phone. For that, we need to first download it in our mobile, and for that I'm just going to click on Play Store. From Play Store, in the address bar at the top, I'll type Microsoft Team with the help of my keypad. And then I'm going to click on this. You'll get this icon on your screen. Click on the install option and wait for it to get downloaded and installed in your mobile. It will take hardly few seconds. So you can see here it's getting downloaded, and after downloading, the process of downloading is going on. After downloading, obviously it will get installed in your mobile. So it'll again take few moments for it. Mobile will scan it, right? And then after scanning, you can just open it directly from here itself. You'll get such kind of interface, and you'll get your first screen like this. Fine. You can just click on this sign in with other account option. Now it will ask you for the email ID. So put your registered email ID that you have received from school, right? Just simply type it using your keypad, or you can copy paste it from the inbox, from your inbox. So I'm just gonna type a email ID, random email ID. Okay. After typing the email ID, we'll click on the sign in option, and it will take us to a new page which will ask us for our password. Okay, so we are gonna enter the password now, and make sure the first letter of the password should be in capital. Okay, there should be no space between any of the characters in your password. After entering the password, just click on sign in option, and it will take you again to a new page. So you can see here, just simply click on next, next, and got it. As you can see, because I have opened the Teams for a student of class 4A, so it's showing me here 4A. Okay, I'm gonna show you the features and the options available here. See, from the activity option, you'll get all the updates that has occurred recently in your team. Team here means your class. Fine. From the calendar options, you can see which meetings are scheduled for you. You can see here, like at 8 o'clock there was moral science, at 9:50 Hindi was there, mathematics at 12:15. So you can simply click on the join option directly from the calendar, and it will take you to the meeting at the given time only. No need to enter any ID or password. Okay, we can simply click on the join option, and it will take us to the class. Similarly, here we are having the assignment options. We can click on assignment, and it will open the assignments for us. Like here I need to select my class, click on next. Right now none of the assignment has been assigned, so this is empty. When assignments will be there, you will get the option of assignment here. And here you are having a option of teams, right? In the teams option, you are having 9 hidden channels. These channels are nothing but your subjects. Click on this, and you will see all the subjects over here. You can just click on it to see these subjects on your main screen. Come back, and you can see the details of the particular subject by clicking on the channel. Suppose I want to see the details of computer, if my teacher has sent me any update or not. So click on it. It's opening. The posts are there. So you can see here whatever things have been scheduled, the classes or whatever posts are there, everything is visible. So this was the way of how to join your class, how to check your assignments, and how to check the updates in different subjects. Fine. Also, here you are having these 3 lines. When you click on these 3 lines, you'll get your details. What's your name? When you click on this, you can set a image for yourself. Okay, you can change the image for yourself. Come back again, you can set a message for whether you are available or busy or something like that. And if any time if you want to come out of this, you want to sign out, go on settings, and here you'll get the option for sign out. Click on sign out and it will take you out of this. So this is the way how we can make use of Microsoft Teams app. I hope you all have understood.